everyone! I'm getting ready to make strawberry rosemary mini loaves. They are so easy to pull together and they're absolutely delicious. Before I start any recipe, I like to get out all my ingredients in front of me. That way I know I have everything I'm gonna need from the get-go, and it actually saves a lot of time when you're pulling things together in the mix. So first things first, get everything out in front of you, and then let's get started. First, we'll combine our dry ingredients. I like to sift mine through a strainer to make sure I don't have any clumps. Add your flour first, followed by the salt, and then the baking powder. After you sifted those, just mix them up with a spatula. That way all of your dry ingredients are incorporated before you start adding in your wet. So let's just mix those up. Now we can start pulling together our wet ingredients. First is this rosemary infused nut milk I made earlier. I'll link to that recipe in the description for you. Then the oil, then the flax egg. If you don't know how to make a flax egg, no worries, I've got you covered. I made a quick video and I'll link to that in the description. Super easy to pull together and it doesn't add any different flavor to your recipe, so it's perfect as an egg replacement in baked goods. Now you can add in your vanilla and some chopped rosemary. Follow that up with your sugar. Make sure that's all mixed in before adding to your dry ingredients. Give everything a good mix with your spatula before adding in your chopped strawberries. Now you're ready to fill the molds. If you have an ice cream scooper, you can use that to portion your batter into the molds. Otherwise, just use a couple of spoons. Once they're in the molds, go ahead and top them with some more fresh strawberries and a sprinkle of sugar. You could skip these steps if you don't want extra strawberries and sugar, but why would you? More strawberries, a little crunchy sugar on top, yum! Now these are ready to go in the oven. You'll bake them for about 30 minutes. When you take them out of the oven, I highly recommend using two hands. Otherwise, you could get a little wobbly and potentially drop the entire pan. Once they're cooled, you can drizzle them with a simple rosemary lemon glaze. For the glaze recipe, I went ahead and linked to a quick demo of that as well. You'll find that in the description. Super easy to make, and it adds so much flavor to these baked goods. How simple was that? You can easily make these in less than 60 minutes, so just imagine, an hour from now, you could be eating these. Highly recommend. I hope you give these a try. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them for me. I'd be happy to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.